Hey, hey YouTube, this is Dylan. I'm going to be showing you how to make a paper plane today. First, you fold it in half, like this. Then you take it apart, take the long way, and then fold the flaps so it looks like this. Then take this little part on the top right here and fold it down a little bit. Should look like this. And then when you're done with that, take this part right here, this part, and you fold it a little bit, and then it should look like this, and then you do the same to the other side. When you're done with that, you take this part, and fold it. Should look like this, and then do the same to the other side. Like this, and then you fold it like this. And make the wings. So you take this part and fold it down, and the same with the other side. Fold down, and if you want it, you can fold the wings up. And just take the bottom of them and fold them up. And that's the plane. Part 2 will be a test flying on the plane.